All right, another installment of let's update my 2004 VUE. Saturn VUE 2004, obviously. As I said, I'm going to replace the mirrors with a body matched mirror. These originals already had been knocked around a bit, so I wanted to update them with the body matched ones. First thing you want to do is go from this upper corner and pull towards you. So I say. Worked really well off camera. Of course, can't get my finger in there now. Here we go. And lift up slightly because you've got the tab there. Now, want to get our wiring loose, you can leave this hang. A little trick to it is there's a little flap underneath that you just want to catch with your fingernail and pull it down, and that will come out. See, there's the little flap there. So you're just going to catch it with your fingernail, pull it down, and this will come right out. Now, these guys are 10 millimeter. I like to loosen them all up with the tool till they're really, really loose. And then use my hands so I don't drop anything down into the door panel. So as you can see, I'll go right down in there and you got to pull the whole door panel. I'm not trying to do that today. So rather than use the tool where it might come loose, of course if you have a magnetic then you don't have to worry about it, but mine's not magnetic. Keep your hand under it. Up there on the dash. Move him out of the way. Okay, last one. Boom, super easy. Now, that's just a little wiggle. And it comes out. And set him off to the side. Grab your other one. Make sure if there are bolts already on it, take them off. My other side came with the bolts as well. Line up your holes. Slide it in. Hold it. I'm going to take my other hand to run one screw on so I don't drop it. Said screw meant bolt. Nut, however. Run those guys on with your fingers. Again, don't drop them. I know this part, they had pulled that out. Orient it with that little tab is down. That should go right in. Click. Okay, we're good. All right, tool. Boom. Of course, like anything else, I ran those on part way first just to get everybody snugged up before I tightened them down. Granted, I did it with my hand because everything is easy. Remember that tab. You want to get it in. Line that up. Boom. That's it. Easy peasy. Enjoy your new mirrors. This one had a protective clear film on it. So that looks a little scuzzy, but I'll work on buffing that out and see if it won't at least get a little bit shinier. And then I'll have to get a little touch-up paint, but yes, I did do the trim red, but Putting that red mirror on there makes the hood look a little less awkward, being that it's still red with the black trim. Yes, I do have to deal with the spoiler. But there we go. It's coming along. I'm liking it.